Hi everyone, back with another keto recipe. We've got breaded spicy chicken sandwiches and onion rings. And there's a few things not in the photo, but I'll mention what you're going to need. So for starters, you're going to need a thinly sliced, boneless, skinless chicken breast, an onion, and then not in the photo, you're going to need eggs, coconut oil, and keto buns, and then a keto flour, olive oil for cooking, pink salt and pepper, a spicy seasoning, and then Chipotle ranch for dipping, 2 serving bowls, a measuring cup, a tablespoon, a spatula with fry pan and cover, and then a deep fryer. Let's start by adding 2 cups of the coconut oil into our deep fryer on 400, and you're going to cover this and let it just start to get really hot. Then you're going to take 2 separate bowls. You're going to add 3/4 cup of the keto-friendly flour into one bowl, and then you're going to scramble 2 eggs into another. Then take 4 tablespoons of the cooking olive oil into your fry pan and turn it on a medium heat. Let it get hot. And let's start by cooking our chicken breast. Immerse it and get it super wet in the egg wash and into the flour and then into your hot oil. Over that, you want to add the pink salt, pepper, and a hot seasoning. I'm using Down by the Bayou. You could do a cayenne, or if you don't like it hot, leave it out. Cover it and let the first start to cook. Once that side is cooked, flip them over, and then you're just going to add just the spicy seasoning on that side. And then we're going to go ahead and cut our onion. You're going to do thin slices. I did 2 servings. I did 12 onion rings, which was 2 servings, so 6 for 1 serving. Then you're going to immerse that into the egg wash, into the keto flour, and then into the hot oil. Now, these only take about 1.5 minutes on each side. You want to flip them over, so about 3 minutes total, and then pull them out, put them on a lined paper towel on a plate just to let them drain. You want to put some pink salt over them. And then when your chicken breast is all fully cooked, we're going to dress it up on a keto bun. I got those from Aldi's, but they do have different keto buns now. Put the chicken breast on one bun. Then you're going to add the Chipotle ranch serving of it, which was 2 tablespoons. Then you're going to add a lettuce. I did a spring mix, but you can do just a iceberg lettuce if that's what you like. And then you're going to add your 6 onion rings, and on the side, some more Chipotle ranch for dipping, another 2 servings, which would be 2 tablespoons. And look at how beautiful that is, you guys. And the whole recipe was only, I can't remember, but I'll put it in here for you guys. But anyways, it was absolutely delicious. Always keep it keto.